Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tutorial Lab. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked about, how to improve the output of AI language models like ChatGPT. While these tools are incredibly powerful, they do have their limitations. Sometimes the responses can be vague or just plain off the mark. But don't worry, with the right prompts, you can significantly enhance the quality of the output in just seconds. Effective prompting is crucial when working with AI. The way you ask questions or give instructions can make all the difference. So let's explore 5 genius prompting techniques that will help you get the best results from ChatGPT. Here are 5 prompt engineering techniques to improve your output. First up is 1. Specific and detailed instructions. Provide clear and concise instructions to the AI. Using action verbs and specific keywords can lead to much better responses. For example, instead of saying, "Tell me about AI," try something like, "Write a concise summary of the article, the impact of AI on the job market, in 100 words or less." This gives ChatGPT a clear direction on what you want.
The article, "The Impact of AI on the Job Market," explores how artificial intelligence is reshaping employment across industries. It highlights AI's potential to increase efficiency and create new job opportunities in tech and data analysis.
2. Role-playing. Our second technique is role-playing. By assigning a specific role to the AI, you can encourage more creative and informative responses. For instance, say, "You are a world-renowned expert in AI. Explain quantum computing in simple terms, as if you were talking to a child." This helps frame the response in a way that's engaging and easy to understand.
Imagine you have a big magic box that can solve puzzles really fast. Most computers are like little boxes that can only check one piece of the puzzle at a time. But a quantum computer is like a super magical box that can look at many puzzle pieces all at once.
3. Question-answer format. Next is using a question-answer format. Breaking down complex topics into smaller, focused questions encourages deeper analysis and critical thinking. For example, you might ask, "What are the potential benefits and drawbacks of using AI in healthcare?" Provide specific examples. This approach helps guide ChatGPT toward more thoughtful responses.
Potential benefits of AI in healthcare. 1. Improved diagnostics. AI can analyze medical images, e.g. X-rays or MRIs, with high accuracy, identifying issues like cancer earlier than traditional methods. 2. Personalized treatment. AI algorithms can suggest treatments tailored to a patient's genetics and medical history, enhancing outcomes.
4. Iterative refinement. Our fourth technique is iterative refinement. This involves using a step-by-step approach to refine the output. If the initial response isn't quite right, provide feedback and specific requests for improvement. For instance, you could say, "The response is too generic. Please focus on the ethical implications of AI and provide real-world examples." This helps hone in on exactly what you're looking for.
Ethical implications of AI in healthcare. 1. Bias in decision-making. AI systems may inherit biases from their training data, leading to unequal treatment.
5. Negative prompting. And finally, we have negative prompting. This technique specifies what you don't want the AI to do, guiding it toward a more desired outcome. For example, you could instruct it, "Do not generate any text that is factually incorrect or biased. Focus on providing objective information."
Understood. I'll ensure the information provided is accurate, objective, and supported by real-world examples. Let me know if you'd like me to address a specific topic or expand further.
This clarity can help avoid common pitfalls. To wrap things up, we've discussed 5 genius prompts that can dramatically improve your interactions with ChatGPT. Being specific with instructions, using role-playing, asking focused questions, refining iteratively, and employing negative prompting. The power of effective prompting cannot be overstated. I encourage you all to experiment with these techniques and see how they transform your experience with AI language models. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your tech tools. Let us know in the comments how these prompts worked for you, or if you have any other techniques to share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.